been around for 3 years, and the band members also play in acts like Odd Fellows, The Ordinary People, and Electrical, which coincidentally is playing at 7:30 in the arena, so don't forget to catch them as well. They are also selling the buttons at the merchandise stand, so if you want to get a piece of this band, then go to the village and get your buttons later. And they're also being featured on the Walmart Records compilation, also on sale at the merchandise tent. Without further ado, Typewriter!
Good afternoon. It's our first song, quite new. It's called Details.
Shine for me. Did I tell you I am sorry? Did I say that I am sorry now? Maybe I am really sorry. I'm sorry I broke your heart. Broke your heart. Here we go.
Thank you. Gracias, muchas. Thank you.